Welcome to Biraja TV. 5 more COVID deaths confirmed in Odisha. Bhubaneswar, 5 more COVID positive patients in Odisha have succumbed to disease. Confirmed the Health and Family Welfare Department on Wednesday. Details to the case confirmed as death due to COVID-19 after due complication of the death audit process at the under. A 30-year-old female of Bhadrak, a 85-year-old male of Bhubaneswar, a 86-year-old male of Bhubaneswar, a 62-year-old female of Jagatsinghpur, a 70-year-old male of Puri district. The department further stated that the list does not reflect death occurring on a particular day. It gives detail of past death for which the death audit process has been duly completed and the cause of